heaven have visiting hours, so I could just show up and bring the news that she's getting older. And I wish that you met her. The things that you learned from me, I got them all from you. Can I just stay a while and we'll put all the world to rights? The little ones will grow and I'll still drink your favorite wines. And soon they go to close, but I'll see you another day. So much has changed since you've been away. I wish that heaven had visiting hours, so I could just swing by and ask your advice. What would you do in my situation? Haven't a clue how I even raise them. What would you do? 'Cause you'd always do what's right. Can we just talk a while until my worries disappear? I'll tell you that I'm scared of turning out a failure. You'd say, remember that the answer's in the love that we create. So much has changed since you've been away. I wish that heaven had visiting hours, and I would ask them if I could take you home. But I know what they'd say, that it's for the best. So I will live life the way you taught me and make it on my own. 'Cause I will close the door, but I will open up my heart, and everyone I love will know exactly who you are. 'Cause this is not goodbye, it's just so we meet again. So much has changed since you've been away.
Hiram sa Diyos ang aking buhay. Ikaw at ako'y tanging handog lamang. Di ko ninais na ako'y isilang, ngunit salamat dahil may buhay. Ligaya ko na ako'y isilang, pagkatao ay mayroong dangal. Sinong may pag-ibig, sinong nagmamahal, kundi ang tao. Diyos ang pinagmulan. Kung di ako ang buhay kong hiram sa Diyos. Kung di ako nagmamahal, sino ako? Kung di ako umibig, kung di ko mang bigyang halaga ang buhay kong handog, ang buhay kong hiram sa Diyos. Kung di ako nagmamahal, sino ako?
Buhay kong ito'y walang katiyakan. Mundong tinitirhay mayroong hangganan. Ngunit sa piling mo, Panginoon, makakamtan buhay na walang hanggan. Kayamanan hawak ko ngayon, sa kabilang buhay di ko madadala. Ngunit sa piling mo, Panginoon, walang halaga yaman ng mundong ito. Ikaw, tanging kailangan ko. Sa hirap at dusa, karamay ka, wala nang nais pa. Basta't kasama ka, pagmamahal mo ay tunay. Dapat at di magbabago, kailan pa man mananatili ang puso ko.
I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can't do. Through the years, you've never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I've found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I've loved the life we've made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear you've taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so. But through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I never had a doubt we'd always work things out. I've learned what life's about by loving you through the years. I'll stay with you through the
Pauwi na sa tahanan mo. Babalik na sa'yo. Tanggapin at kupkupin, kapatid namin sa iyong piling. kapatid namin sa'yo.